Welcome back to another interesting experience. Today we're going to do rainbow waterfall.
Colorful waterfall.
I thought rainbow waterfall.
Yeah, it's colorful rainbow. Okay. Why you are so excited today?
Because waterfall.
Okay.
Today is waterfall.
Good.
We are close to 50.
What?
We just need 2 more left.
Then what is the experiment number today? Video number. Right? Is it experiment
58.
number? 48.
48. I thought 49. 50.
Awesome.
2 more left.
That's awesome. So for today's experiment, can you explain what you're going to do?
Okay, it's a waterfall today.
Okay, what else do you need for that?
We need candy stuck on the test tube. It's like this.
Oh, you stick all the candies together? Okay.
I'm so excited. I want
Where you are going? So what are you going to do then? You're going to. What next? What next you are going to do?
We're going to dip this.
Oh, you're going to dip it here?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Let me. One second. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
So you're going to dip into the water?
Yeah.
And all the colors are going to melt, right?
Yeah, ready?
Ready,
Set, go.
Don't shake it.
Oh!
Okay. Let's see. I see that slowly the colors are moving. Just look down. Look down.
I see the colors are falling down.
You see all the colors are falling down. That's called colorful waterfall.
Even I see pressure. The candy's out, and then we'll put it in.
I think if you put more candies, right?
Yeah.
If you put more candies and very more chemical candies, then you can see the nice waterfall. But these candies are not much chemical.
Now can I get it out? Now can.
Yeah, nothing much we are going to observe it because all colors are gone now, right? That's cool. That's
These two are good sticked.
It's a very short and sweet experiment.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, baby. Thank you for sharing, and we are waiting for your 50th video.
I have a surprise for you.
What surprise?
Take everything out.
Really? Let me pause it 1 second. Okay, I took everything out.
Now look at the secret.
What is that?
First, I need to turn. Allah!
What is that?
Allah, yo.
It's a puzzle.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's solved. It's solved.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Great work, Dhruvan. Nice. We are going to see 49th video, right?
Yo.
Until then,
Yo.
bye.
Bye.